Doing a test run of the JaDed Cyclone right there. JaDedBrewing.com. Go get you one. Howdy everyone, that's Jay Poor here at Little Face Brewing, doing a test run of the JaDed Cyclone Counterflow Chiller. Now those of you that follow along with the build of this brew house and everything know that I designed this thing around the Hydra that you see here behind me. Hydra is still going to be used, there's no doubt about that. I have a gravity system upstairs, it's a 5-gallon system that we use. That'll go with that system, no problemo. But I wanted to be able to add a condensing lid to my brew kettle. And I can't do that with an immersion chiller. So, Cyclone it is. I like this product, A, because it's from JaDed. JaDedBrewing.com. Check them out. They make great products. And I've said it 1,000 times, their chiller is the best on the market, bar none. But one of the things that really caught my eye about this chiller is it's a point of view chiller. So if I really need, I need to clean this thing, I can pull these hoses off the sides, off of either end, and I can see clean through, and I have a brush that I can run through there as well. So I like that design. If you go to Time for Another One, Paul Wicksteed's channel, he built a chiller very similar to this. And true to the form of my buddy, I wanted to have one on my system as well. So right now what I'm doing is I'm doing a cleaning cycle on this. And let me describe what that entails. So with the cleaning cycle, what I'm doing is in my HLT, which is over here, there's about 14 gallons worth of water heating up to 181 degrees. And I mixed in some PBW. So I'm just bringing it out of the HLT, running it in to the hot end on the counterflow, and running it right back into the pot again. That way it's cycling through, it's mixing up the PBW. That's going to take out any of the oils or anything from manufacturing that may have occurred while making this and cleaning it up real well. All right, so I got everything cleaned up. That looks great on the front of this brewing system. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's like a piece of art, it is. So what I ended up doing was, this is more set up, just, full disclosure. This kind of chiller is more for recirculation, which is fine because that's what I was doing even with the Hydra. And I have my system set up for that. So as I'm chilling, I'll be chilling the batch down and then going into the fermenter. Once I get the batch down to where I want it, then into the fermenter it goes, which is right over here. That's where I keep my fermenters. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to that first brew day. This actually worked out really well. Checked all my fittings. Everything looks good, no leaks. I did have one leak at the beginning, but I fixed that. And I'm ready for a brew day. So, which will probably be on Friday. next week. But right now I've got a cider sitting there, and I've got a black IPA back there in the brew bucket. So there we have it, folks. Hope you enjoyed that little bit of a test run on the JaDed Cyclone. Worked well. Check out the next brew day. This is SJ Port, Little Face Brewing. Enjoy the fruits of your labor, folks. Brew beer. Brew wonderful beer. Cheers.